Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to open Infiniti key fob. Firstly, flip the key fob over and press the release tab on the back. Pull out the mechanical or metal key and locate the seam under the key compartment. Use your taped flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the two panels and work slowly around the edges to avoid the cracking of the plastic. Now remove the old battery and insert the new one with the positive side facing down. Make sure it's firmly seated in its compartment. Now, snap the key fob panels back together and reinsert the metal key into the slot. Now try locking and unlocking your vehicle. If everything functions correctly, you're all set. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.